Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're going to continue on the pillar. I'm really wanting to just get that off tonight, and we may do a little bit more sanding, but my main focus is to get that off. I'm tired of dealing with it. So it may be a kind of a shorter video because I'm just going to focus on that mainly. And it's already about midnight out here, and I'm pretty tired, so I think if I get that off, then I'll be doing pretty good. So let's get to it. Don't know if you can tell, but my wife has added more boards to the carport we built. This is the treated lumber, and when we put the boards across this way, we didn't put any supports underneath the middle, so they all got a big bow in it. So we're going back and hammering in a support and beams to hopefully make it somewhat level. And anyways, that's my project probably this weekend. Be ready to get all this stuff out of here. But tonight, I think I'm gonna drill out the rest of these spot welds and try to get these, and still try to separate it from here as best I can. Kind of really wish I could find the weld. And then we got to come over here and grind this weld to the back there. And after all that's done, it should come off. I have an idea. Thinking about using this and cutting slightly through here, see if I see anything, and then, oops, sorry, on this side, kind of cutting underneath here and right in here, see if I see anything in there. Because I don't think it should take me that long to try to grind through a weld. I don't want to take any more off this piece than I have to, so thinking about looking at the new one and seeing where this meets up at and cutting it there. A couple things I learned from just cutting into it a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, but right there is where I think the weld is. You kind of got two dots up there, then when I cut through it, there's a hole there and a hole down here. So I think I can flatten my grinding out a little bit and take more off this back side, and that should expose that weld. Then on this side, kind of see how it goes back in there. It's kind of hot still, but anyways, I think I can split that away and then right underneath here, sorry, something biting me. Don't know if you can see, but I think that's the beginning of the weld right there, or the weld right there. So, and if I can't get it, then I'll just cut it off here, and then come around here and just cut this straight down and over, and then I'll clean this up later. Let me show you the other side. That's something good to go off of. You know, I can see the welds and spot weld, which that concerns me over there because I can't see the spot weld on it. I think this is, that may be weld right there too. But all this over there was just that filler stuff in the up through here. You can see they welded it starting at the top all the way down here. So this one should be relatively easier to take off since I know where the welds are. This over here is just getting difficult to take off. I even hit it with a hammer trying to see if it would move any, and it didn't move at all. So it's making me concerned if I missed a spot weld or what. I'm debating on just cutting this part off down here at the bottom and leaving that and taking it off when I take the kick panel off. But anyways, at least I got all my spot welds I think are there drilled out, but I don't think I'm going to sand tonight. I'm pretty tired. Well, I think that'll be it for me tonight. I don't want to do anything to mess it up even more. The pillar, I'm tired and kind of frustrated with that at the moment, and just feel like drilling a hole through it, getting a chain and yanking it off. If that would even work, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna quit now before I do something that is gonna take me a long time to fix or whatnot. But I think I'm gonna go inside. So thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. I think I said 72% of the people that view my videos aren't subscribed, and if they would subscribe, that'd be nice. But anyways, we'll continue on this. I think Chester Brown mentioned getting some citrus stripping gel. I thought I had some, but I guess the wife used it, so I'm gonna buy some more and I'll try it on that top rail and see if that works. Said you put it on there and wait 24 hours and it should just peel right off. And if that works, then may have a new method of getting the paint off without having to sand continually. But anyways, we'll try that next time and try to get that pillar off again. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel out and keeps me motivated on days like these when I'm extremely tired to come out here and do something. And I guess I'll see you on the next.